Hey guys, today we are going to see how to have a time delay in Python. So first we'll start with importing the module. So import time, and then for demonstrating the delay we'll just print something. So for 10 instances of something, I is equal to 0 while I less than 10, print hey. And we have to we will delay this for like 2 seconds and print hey for every 10 iterations. So this is how you do time dot sleep and the delay that you want. So let's keep it 2 seconds and we'll run it. Hey 1 2 hey 1 2, and this is how you add delay in Python. So thanks for watching, and do comment if you have any questions in the comment section. I will try to solve them. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Keep coding, stay curious.